Welcome back to Fluize. Here's the plan. This is your basic module, Level 1, Lesson 5. Today, I like and I want. You learn English by listening, like a child. No grammar, no fear. First, the key words. Then a little story. You hear it again and again, every day this week. Repeat out loud. Copy my voice. And, at the end, the same story in the present and the past. So, relax, listen, repeat. Subscribe to unlock the free basic module. Ready? Let's go. Chapter 1. The key words. Listen and repeat out loud after me. First, the key words. Before our story, listen and feel them. Say them with me, big and happy. I like. It makes you happy. I like coffee. I like music. I don't like. It does not make you happy. I don't like the rain. I want. You wish for it now. I want a coffee. I want water. Do you like? Do you want? You ask a friend. Do you like tea? Do you want water? Yes, I do. No, I don't. And please, thank you. Yes, please. Great. Now you feel the words. Let's hear them in a little story. Chapter 2. The main story. Now, just relax and listen. Don't translate, only feel it. Hi. Welcome back. Big smile. Let's go. Today, I like and I want. Two strong, useful phrases. I like. It makes you happy. I like coffee. I like music. I like you. Say it with me. I like. I want. You need it now. You wish for it. I want a coffee. I want water. For example, Mia likes coffee. Every morning, Mia says, I want a coffee. She likes it hot. I like my coffee hot. Tom likes tea. Tom says, I like tea. I don't like coffee. I don't like... It does not make you happy. Do you like coffee? You ask a friend. Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. What do you like? Say it. I like. Listen again and again. Deep learning. Chapter 3, the most important one, the mini story. I ask, you answer out loud. Big smile. Sit up, shoulders back. Breathe. Ready? Answer out loud. Your turn. This is Mia. Mia likes coffee. Every morning, Mia wants a coffee. Hot, hot coffee. Does Mia like coffee? Coffee or tea? Hot coffee or cold coffee? Yes, Mia likes coffee, and she wants it hot. Tom is different. Tom doesn't like coffee. Tom likes tea. Does Tom like coffee? Does he like coffee or tea? No, Tom doesn't like coffee. Tom likes tea. Now, a problem. The cafe has tea, but no coffee. No coffee today. Mia wants a coffee. Oh no. Is there a problem? Does Mia want a coffee? Is there coffee or no coffee? No coffee today. Only tea. Then Mia wants a coffee. Then Tom smiles. Mia, do you want my tea? It's good. It's so good. Does Tom give Mia his tea? Is Tom kind? Yes, Tom gives Mia his tea. So kind. Mia tries the tea. I like it. I like tea too. Now Mia is so happy. Hooray! Does Mia like the tea? Is Mia sad now or happy? Yes, now Mia likes tea too, and she is so happy. Hooray! That's the end of the mini story. Listen again and again. Deep learning, deep learning. Last chapter. The same story in the present and the past. Just feel the change. Every day, Mia wants a coffee, and Tom drinks his tea. They are happy. Yesterday, Mia wanted a coffee. There was no coffee. Tom gave her his tea. She liked it. Hey, before you go, let's build this together. Hit subscribe and like to help us unlock the whole basic module for free. Every new subscriber gets us closer. 100, 500, 1,000. And tell me, comment your country. See you in the next lesson. Keep flowing.